Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a zoom in Adobe Premiere. So first, make sure you import your video in the timeline. Next, go to Window here and make sure you enable Effects, Controls, and Effects. These two panels we need. Effects, Controls, and the next panel is Effects. Here, what you have to do is to write crop. Grab this and drag it to your video, and then the next one, transform. Now, what we have to do here in transform is to click on, we can click on anchor point, and this is what you should see, this circle. I'll move this here, and then I'll just add the keyframe right over here, position for position. All right, and then also keyframe for scale. Now I'll move a couple of frames, and then I will zoom